So just got to this host's house. His sister just gave him this Mustang as an early birthday present. But the only issue with it is this.
It's not big enough.
It's a four-banger. A four-banger Mustang. Never thought. But what year is it?
1992.
1992 Ford Mustang. 3.0 liter?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, it's a pretty big four-cylinder then.
On the side somewhere.
Look at this thing. Red interior, this girly seat, steering wheel cover.
In the future, paint it black, put a nice wing on it.
This is for a four-cylinder. She doesn't really rev up that high. It's like a diesel. Does it drive and run and everything?
What?
Does it drive?
Yeah, the transmission is iffy though.
Really?
Like, putting it in gear, it's like iffy. Here. That's
Can
the
I
key to start it.
Can I start
you
it?
Want me to hold it for you?
Yeah. Oh, I hear this bad bitch. I want to hear it. I'm gonna think
You
it's
gotta
like
turn it back and then turn it forward. She purrs.
I don't expect to hear that out of a Mustang.
It purrs like a fucking kitten.
I'm like expecting to hear.
I have the jack over there, so don't try putting it in gear or anything. We'll take it. I can ask if we can take it for a test ride to see if it leaks oil later. It's got, I mean, okay miles.
73,000. It's low. It's got less more. Wait, no,
Yeah, this thing was like never drove.
no, it's not. It doesn't have 73. It's at 107,000 miles.
107. That's good.
Yeah, so 107,000 miles because it rolls back over once it's 100,000. I'm sure this thing's got more now.
Well, it was never drove, so.
It probably has 100,000.
Look at this. Oh, mini wing!
Oh God.
The trunk is so small, though.
Really?
I mean,
Pop it.
You don't pop it, it's key.
Oh, my dad's
Old school.
My dad's Mustang pops. There should be a little pop.
It might.
I'll show you exactly. Oh shit, this is
Small
this is
as
awful.
hell. There's some stuff in here I gotta clean out.
First
Oh,
off,
dude.
Here, close the trunk. I'll show you where the pop
Yeah,
is.
there's a pot somewhere.
I know where
it's
it
on
is.
the bottom.
I know exactly where it is. It's probably gonna be exactly like my dad's Mustang, right there.
Oh, it's in there?
Did it
Oh, there's
pop?
a little light in there.
I don't hear it. Did it pop? Otherwise, it's broken.
Yeah.
Maybe it needs a
Doesn't
key in
matter.
here. Maybe it needs a key in the ignition. That would be kind of stupid.
Other key. The square one goes in. Yeah.
Yeah, it needs key in the ignition.
Yeah, popped.
Cool. Just like my dad's got a '93 Cobra, exactly the
Dude,
same.
I want to get a hard top though.
I don't know. It'd be kind of cool to drive. I mean, this thing, by the way, we need to do a paint job. This paint.
Yeah, I know. I want to paint it black because the interior.
It's kind of.
But
I'm not-
these windows are gonna be so much easier to tint with that tint.
Yeah.
Just these are gonna be kind of hard because of the curve, but they're smaller, so it's gonna be a lot easier with that.
Like I'm not trying to talk any shit, but
It's
this-
paint job shit. Yeah.
the paint's
I
ugly.
need to stance it too. Well, I have it
You
on.
need to get
Jackson.
rid of these things.
No, I have it on.
Can you give me?
No. Well, yeah, I could.
Or get some new rims or something.
Yeah.
These tires are. Ugh.
I just have it kind of jacked up so I can see if it leaks oil.
Yeah. It's cool that it runs. Did you just pour the coolant in?
Yeah, I just
What'd
poured
you
more
use?
coolant in. Antifreeze plus coolant.
50
Yeah.
for all makes and models. Cool.
And I got all this shit from when we.
Hey,
did
in the
van.
Versa, if you want to check your freeze point, I have a
What do you
freeze
mean?
point checker, so you can check. You want me to grab that?
Sure. If
Alright.
you want to make it use it.
So, actually, this is what I'm talking about. Ugh, if I can get the bag open. We're gonna check the freeze point with this tool here. I bought this for the Versa because I don't know where my freeze point's at.
Wait, before you open it.
Record?
Yeah, before you open it.
Are you recording now?
No.
Record.
Okay.
Here we go. Ooh, awful unboxing. Ugh. Look at this thing. Mmm, yummy.
That thing looks fake.
It works though. That's what the auto shop has. Open up your reservoir.
Yeah.
Yep, open that up. Your coolant looks kind of nasty. enough. Well, your freeze point's perfect.
Okay.
Negative 35. Right.
Oh, we got perfect freeze point.
Well.
Yeah, you spilled it everywhere. Come on.
I didn't mean to.
Come on. Get up. No.
Nah.
Get up.
3.0 liter. I didn't think it was that big though. Damn.
What, the 4-banger?
Yeah. It's a big 4-banger.
Mm-hmm. Big ass.
So what does it leak?
It leaks oil.
What?
I'll ask if we take for a drive. You can see the.
Is it registered?
No, I got the titles all for it. So like, if I
How
wanted
old's the
to-
sticker? It's kind of old. It's a year out of date.
Yeah, but we can still take it for a test drive.
Yeah.
I might leave this one and tint these ones. If I could tint this one.
Yeah. Seems dope.
Yeah.
Except that it needs a V8 and a paint job. Not trying to. You know I'm not trying to.
It needs a manual and a paint job.
Yeah. So you're gonna keep the 4-banger?
For now, yeah. Trying to get a daily for a little bit. Yo, you know that $3.69 special at Burger King?
You get that too?
Yeah.
Look at this fuck. Look at
Except
this
their
dude.
straws are fucking janky. They break right away.
Look at this dude.
I don't need.
Should probably do that.
Yeah, probably. I got.
Alright, now I gotta
transmission
find.
fluid here.
I'm pretty sure this is tranny food, right?
Right there?
Yeah.
No, I thought I checked that. That was regular oil. I thought
Really?
there is no oil dipstick then. Unless if it's fucking hidden.
I
Oh,
thought
right there. Is that the regular oil?
that's your tranny.
All right. Here, I got a cloth right here.
Yeah, it'll say, yeah, trans oil. Probably want to check that.
Pull it out.
Oof. Clean it off and I'll put it back in. We'll take it back out. Does it look black as shit?
I don't know how I didn't look at it.
All right.
Just clean it off.
You want it to be pink.
Pink?
Actually, if it's black,
We should drain it and.
that's bad.
looks
And it
pretty
might be.
black. Yeah, it's pretty black.
That's actually not bad. Here, hold it.
Yeah, but it needs a lot.
Yeah.
Where's the? Should we just fill it in from there?
Yeah, that's why you need a special tube. That's what we needed for the. Didn't you buy tranny oil for the
Yeah.
van?
It's over there.
Should I have
Oh
some?
shit! You wanna throw the keys in there? You wanna pop the? No?
Yeah. But the fluid looks pink, so that's good.
Alright.
Means there's not much damage yet. Means your tranny's good.
Talking about this?
Yeah. That's what we bought for it, right?
Yeah, I gotta clean it off though.
This should fit. Let's
No,
just.
I didn't buy that for the.
Oh, did you buy that
van.
today?
My sister bought that. It was already in the trunk.
This should be it.
Automatic transmission
Yep,
fluid.
that'll work.
I got 2 fucking bottles here.
Probably want to search it up to make sure it's the correct
Yeah.
stuff. Probably not, sadly.
Shit.
But I'll search it up. Well, search it up for your motor. Otherwise, you have a manual in here. It'll tell you
Yeah.
the manual. So, I don't know what engine this thing has, but the manual just says it's either got a 2.3 or a 5 liter. Then it's a 2.3. It's not a 3 liter then, so sorry. Probably not. I'm sorry for. Because I was about to say a 3 liter 4-cylinder is huge. Like the biggest one you'll see. No, it's not a 5 liter. Then you have a V8.
Well, what the fuck did you just say?
You have a 2.3 liter.
That's what I meant. 2, 3, whatever.
So the right blinker might be out. Is it on right now?
Now it is.
It just stuck on back here. And it's stuck on over here. I think you have a fuse issue or one of those things, you know? Because it still uses those manual, like, click, click.
What do you mean?
So both your lights are fine. You just need a new block. Little, like, thing that.
Do the lights turn on?
Yeah, so you need to do it manually right now. Something's broken that doesn't make it click.
I mean, the left one clicks.
Yeah, because the left one's not broken. There's like a little fuse assembly probably somewhere. You know it's cold, right?
Yeah.
You know what?
Look, that's the smell.
That's the smell of a cold engine getting abused, kid.
That's a good smell.
While we wait for Christian to come back, let's see if this radio's banging. Because it's got to be able to play the new crap, you know? Good. You, FM.
Never take.
Oh, jeez. Gotta go to the banging station.
Baby, I'm a street full of really be my handball, baby. Really wanna be faithful, but it's hard, baby. Yup, I got the first and then I know it, you know it.
Let it drop from like halfway.
Did you put the dipstick back in?
Oh shit, no I didn't. I probably just crushed that.
Your ass about to drive like that? God damn it, Christian.
Fucking stop moving it!
This hood is heavy as
I
shit.
know.
Your ass was about to drive off like
I
that.
probably bent the shit out of it.
Oh my god. Christian.
Oh, man, what are you doing?
Guess what? We can't go. Guess what?
I know, you got the jack on it. Is the door open? Not working.
Shit banging?
Ah, I just squished my foot.
Are you hype?
I am very hype. These seatbelts are so...
I ain't putting mine on.
You're not?
No.
Fucking gay one.
Oh, you took off the gay steering wheel cover?
Yeah, that's what she wants. My sister wants it.
This red interior is like so fucking pimp.
I like it. See?
Supposed to have it on your brake. Did you have your foot on the brake?
Yeah, I did, and then I let go to see if it would go back. This thing romps though too. It's not very fast, but it still romps.
Where'd you romp it from?
Like she didn't have her temps on her, and she had like 3 people in this car, and she was driving at night because she didn't know how to turn the lights on, and she got away with it. Cop pulled her over.
She's lucky.
It's good speed. It's not very.
How much throttle is this?
This is like quarter.
Oh no.
Hey, it drives. It's all that matters.
Yes.
Now I can drive to school and be like, yeah, you want to race? Nah. I still working on it.
No, it's 55.
Oh, it is. Oh, I'm trying to
Yeah.
adjust my mirror.
It's going 40, ho. Full throttle?
No, that wasn't.
Do it.
This is.
Enjoy it. That's not full throttle, I know.
Yeah, it is.
It shifted earlier before. Unless, oh, it's because you were going already. Now it's not gonna. Now it's gonna rev out this gear all the way. You don't want it to shift that? Rev that eye?